Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. English jokes. Let's repeat irregular verbs. 93rd lesson.
Let's repeat previous lessons. So little money. So few people. So much noise. So many cars. Let's have a look. What's the matter? Nothing serious.
New words. Decide. Decided. Accept. Accepted. Dig. Dug.
A joke about La Manche are channeled.
France and England decided to build a tunnel under the channel. These countries asked for tenders. One engineering firm offered the lowest price. This offer was accepted, but they were astonished by the low price.
There is a conversation between the customer and the engineer of the company.
Hello, Mr. Engineer. I have one question. How are you going to do it for so little money?
It's so easy. I will start digging on the English side. My son will start digging on the French side. We'll meet in the middle.
What? But that's ridiculous.
No, I am sure about that.
Why do you think so? And you said it so calmly.
Don't worry. I'm absolutely calm. I know my business.
But you'll be miles apart. What will happen if you don't meet?
In that case, France and England will have two tunnels for the price of one.
The joke about a shop in Cairo. A tourist in a shop in Cairo saw two skulls. That were two different skulls, a large one and a small one. The tourist was surprised. He asked,
What are those?
The shopkeeper answered,
The big one is the skull of Queen Cleopatra.
The amazed tourist said,
Really? And the little one?
There was the reply.
That is the skull of Cleopatra when she was a young girl.
Second wave. 36th lesson. Let's listen and repeat. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include it in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you soon, for another video.